Greetings everyone. In this video I'll show you the place where we set up our caravan at Theresa Creek Dam. As you can see, it's a pretty popular place due to the ready-made carports and fireplaces just on the lake shore. I of course put up the drone to give you an overview of the lake and the camping area we stayed in. We then did a trip to visit the last remaining house from the town of Copperfield. The town came into being in 1874 due to a large ore of solid copper that was found here. This of course led to a large copper mine being established at the time. During its peak, about 2,000 people lived here in about 370 dwellings. The town faded away with the copper mine in 1907 when the price of copper fell. The house you see is the only house left standing and is the former Copperfield store dating back to about 1870. The other remaining infrastructure is the brick chimney, which is 33.5 meters high. It's the last of the original 21 chimneys which protruded into the sky from the furnaces. You can see the remnants of the furnace at the bottom of the tower. I gather in total they extracted just over 17,000 tons of refined copper over the 15-year lifespan of the mine.